This is Higher Maths. It's the specimen question paper from 2007. It's the paper 1, the non-calculator, and it's question 19. And we've got a log equation to solve here to find the value of t. Okay, so we'll do this one two ways depending on which way you've been taught to do this. I'll show you the first way here. Okay, so let's start off with log t to the base 3 is going to be equal to 2 plus log 5 to the base 3, right? So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to gather all the log parts on the left hand side of the equal sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that one and chuck it over there, and it's going to be a minus, okay? So I've got log t to the base 3 minus log 5 to the base 3, and that's going to be equal to 2. Okay, from there I'm going to use the law of logs where I'm subtracting logs. I'm going to gather them together under the one log, and they're going to be divided. So that's going to be t all over 5, and that's going to be equal to 2. Right, from there what we've got is we're going to change that to the exponential form, and the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take this part here, I'm going to use that base, and I'm going to put it to the power of the 2 that's here. So I've got t over 5 is going to be equal to, and it's the base which is 3 to the power of 2. So that'll tell me that t over 5 is equal to 9, and then if I just multiply by 5, t is equal to 45. And I've got my solution there. So the solution should be D. Let's look at it another way, and one way that you might have been taught. So let's go for this one here. It's equal to, and we've got 2 plus log 5, and it's base 3. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert everything to log to the base 3. So I've already got this to base 3. Now 2, what I can do is I can put in there log of 3 to the base 3, and the reason why I can do that is because the log, same base, is equal to 1. So that's as if I'm just multiplying that 2 by 1, okay? But I've got it into the log base 3. So that'll be plus log of 5 base 3 there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the law of logs on this side here, and I'm going to take that power up to the top. So I've got 3 to the power of 2 to there. What I'll do is I'll gather these powers together, okay, these logs together, and these logs will be gathered together under the one log, and because I'm adding, I'm going to multiply these two parts here. So what I've got is, I've got log, it's base 3, and that's going to be 9 times 5. So at this point here, what I've got is, I've got 45 sitting here, okay, and I've got t sitting there, under the same log. So from there, that must mean that t is equal to 45, because what I can do is I can take the logs away. Okay, so that's two different ways of doing this question, and both give me the answer D.